Hi, I'm Jenny, the new avatar of AER 360 drones. Thanks for watching a new video from our channel. In this video, we show you a drone that we are using in recent months. It is a different unit from the one we are used to flying. It is a Yuneec Typhoon H. And it is a drone that is very easy to operate and is great for filming. With this team we have toured France on a trip of 5,000 kilometers in motorhome, an unforgettable adventure. Our goal was to produce content for our portfolio in stock agencies. In this way, know new places and generate income to make our trips profitable.
We have had a great time flying this equipment. We took quality aerial shots, I think. This drone stands out for its stability and its resistance to the wind. It is very manageable. It gives you a very professional flight experience. It also stands out for the capacity of the batteries, with a flight time that exceeds 30 minutes. What impresses the most about the Yuneec Typhoon H is the control command. It really is a ground station that you will not find in another drone. It has all the camera movements, and a function that regulates the flight speed as you need to film what they really make it unique. He records and takes photos with a very realistic and flat profile that is ideal for pro-production. It is very easy to edit that material. Like almost all drones, since there is no perfect one, it is that I noticed that some video images come out moved and cut, nothing that cannot be solved with DaVinci Resolve. My conclusion is that it is a good equipment for recreational use and you can do something professional.
In the description of the video, I leave link to recommended products in Amazon Spain. Thanks for following us.